All right, so terminal integrated font weight bold, the font weight to use within the terminal for bold text. So just like in HTML and CSS, you can have a bold tag around a piece of text, and then CSS defines how it's going to style that bold text, right? And it's pretty much the same thing here. Text can be annotated, so the terminal knows that it's bold, and then you decide what to do with that bold text. So actually you can set it to bold, or you can set it to normal. So, but actually if you notice, all the text that we have here, maybe not the first line, is bolded. So if we set this to bold, now I guess most of it, but not all of it. The kilobytes and the bytes, the build at the time, the version, the hash, these are not bolded, and you can see that difference there. You have all the font weights here, and bold I think is equivalent to, not sure, I think it's 600. I think that's the same thing. Yeah, but I'm going to leave the default option of bold.